Using the largest screws, line up the table legs and secure them to create the frame. Do not tighten the screws fully yet. This allows for easier alignment in the next steps. Place the assembled frame over the tabletop. Secure the frame to the tabletop using the shorter screws. If it's not aligning correctly, loosen the screws from the previous step. Once everything is aligned, use the Allen key to fully tighten every screw on the unit. The chairs come pre-assembled, so your dining set is now ready to use.